The majority of traders are getting burned in 2026, whether it's crypto, forex, stocks, there's always a catch. So if you stay until the end of this video, you'll be able to avoid all of my mistakes, learn my most valuable lessons, and apply it to yourself as well. For you to understand why a better way is needed, you need to know what's actually happening right now in that worst way, which I call the trader's reality. Now, the average retail trader these days stares at charts for hours every single day. They're missing out on family moments with those people they love because they have to track the market. And the worst thing is that they are competing against AI systems with more data than any human being. Now, just to kind of know who and what they're playing against BlackRock running something called Aladdin. Now, Aladdin is a state-of-the-art AI trading software that allows them to basically manage a portfolio of clients at rapid speed, have massive decisions, and basically liquidate everybody that tries to make a move. On Wall Street, they're lending massive amounts of money over the counter through a way that allows them to create fake sell walls and buy walls, and by design liquidates innocent people that are trying to trade. Set aside that, Aladdin alone manages over $20 trillion in assets by their clients, and it processes risk on more portfolios than any government controls. So the outcome of all of this is a net result after taxes and after stress, which obviously leads to the average trader earning less than a McDonald's employee. This is a proven stat. And with all of that stress on the line, they also lose sleep over it, leave their loved ones behind, and just generally always end up being stressed and losing sleep. Whether those are trades from retail investors or those AI agents that run those transactions at a high level, they all have to move through the digital network, which is referred to as the blockchain. Now, in that network, there is a consistent need for a so-called helper role. And that's where I step in through my proven digital ATM model. I'll explain that in a minute if you stay around. But the whole point is, rather than having to guess directions and prices, there's a proven model that allows you to generate fees consistently without needing all of this stress in the first place. Because outside of that stress, I generally believe you carry enough stress already in the way that you are living right now. Whether you run a business or you're working a job, your current income is capped to a ceiling, which is your time and your effort. And even worse, there is a massive competition happening with AI agents that are replacing jobs as we speak. Companies are calculating what humans costs fully loaded. AI is faster, cheaper, and never calls in sick. And then again, trading against AI is a game you are not built to win. So on every trade that they make, it has to go through someone playing that helper role. So again, this is a massive paradigm shift I had when looking into an ecosystem like this, because there has to be movement. You can compare it to how a bank makes money from an ATM, or how a bank makes money on card swipes, right? Or how a toll road on a busy highway is consistently making money on all of these people passing by. And so that's the whole point that we're looking at. BlackRock at this point in time is tokenizing real world assets, everything from buildings to the infrastructure to everything, all moving onto Ethereum. Every asset that moves needs to be exchanged by somebody else. That someone plays a helper role in the network. So who fills that helper role at the end of the day? Well, it's either going to be big capital, like the institutions that already have their billions, or hardworking people through a so-called accessible path, which I prefer to as the digital ATM model, which means more exchanges happen through the network and more rewards collected automatically. And this, generally speaking, is how you can move away from always having to be stressed and trading the markets to having something that works on the side for you. Now, the reason I make this type of content in the first place is because I believe there's a common misbelief around the world by people thinking that they always need to work harder. Now, if hard work would be the answer, show me a rich firefighter. There's always this ceiling where time and effort get capped at a certain point. You cannot work harder than your hardest. You cannot work longer than your longest. You need to sleep. You need to be there for your loved ones. And the majority of you is already struggling with that. So you seek something on the side. You start looking at, okay, I might just want to buy and hold assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, just to end up waiting, holding, going through Ripple lawsuits, waiting for Ethereum for ages not to see it move. praying for Bitcoin to see 100 grand again after it went down tremendously. It is all a waiting game, and you don't have sources, you don't have insights, you don't have patience, so you go from thing to thing to thing. And when you finally lose your hope and you give up on all of this type of stuff, you go back to what seems safe in the traditional world. Things like stocks, things like real estate, things like all that stuff, because those around you did it before, and now you should be the next one doing that. Stocks are only as effective as the ones who make them, as the ones who provide value in them. They can get created out of thin air. When a company like OpenAI and all that stuff is having those setups with like NVIDIA, all of that stuff. And the point that I'm trying to bring home is, I'm not trying to throw stones at all of them. The point that I'm trying to bring home is, if inflation is running at 8 to 10%, I know you might refer to the consumer price index, that's all garbage, it's all about the money they print, 8 to 10% of value loss and what you are buying around the world, prices going up. If that is what the actual math looks like, the indexes like an S&P 500 won't cut it. So let's look at something else. Because as I said a minute ago, you work hard, you save, you earn well, you already know what hard work feels like, but every single time when money moves, there's a different couple of options here. Could be looking at an ATM withdrawal. Well, then the bank is taking a cut. Every single time when you visit an ATM with your card to be able to get cash in and out of the wall, the bank is making money. Whether you're happy, sad, doesn't matter. Card swipe, when you're paying with your card across a mall, across the world, paying for travel, Visa is taking their share. When you're doing crypto trades on a website like crypto.com, Binance, all those types of things, Kraken, then the exchange is taking a cut, right? So you always pay the fee, and your savings are losing 8% a year to all of the money printing that is happening as we speak. And so there has to be a better way. Now, as I am a big believer of keeping things simple, I'm going to explain it with a very practical analogy. So imagine there's a guy out there that has apples, wants to get rid of them. In return for that, he wants to get oranges, right? So the guy with the apple wants oranges. And now the big question in a trade like that is, are there enough oranges available for me to be able to get rid of my apples, right? So either it's going to be yes, then that means the trade is going to be cheap and fast, because if there's an abundance of oranges on the other hand side of the trade, that means the scarcity is going to be low, the supply is going to be high, and for that reason, the price is going to correct itself, right? So the transaction is going to be a little bit cheaper. Now, this is where it might get a little bit confusion. When you do a transaction on crypto, you pay like a transaction fee on the side of what you're getting. So imagine if I have an apple and I want to get an orange in return, then I'm going to pay a slight transaction fee. And that transaction fee, if it's high, then that means there's going to be a low supply of oranges. If it's low, then that means there's going to be enough oranges for you to execute the trade on. Feel already where this is going to, because if the trade is expensive and impossible, then that means there's not enough of oranges. So what's happening is, there's going to be a big question within this economy that is stuff like who supplies them, who provides the oranges. Well, the answer is pretty simple: so-called market makers. And now for the first time ever, you don't need the banking level technology or all that stuff that they used to have behind closed doors. It is accessible, widely accessible to people like yourself. The window of opportunity is closing, and I'm not saying that for urgency. I'm saying that because it's true. Digital identities are kicking in. Digital euros are kicking in. Central bank digital currencies. Look it up on the Atlantic Council. Stuff is changing. Now, market makers can be regular people like yourself and I, and for doing so, they earn a cut on every single transaction. At this point of the video, I know how you might feel about stuff like this. You might think it's too good to be true, it's probably a scam, it's probably a lie, but the fact is a small group of people is already making money with this. I have students like Zachary who are able to actually salute their second job and be able to only focus on one job, get back time with their loved ones, and actually spend way much more time with them. If you don't believe me, I'll put it on the screen somewhere, his screenshot, boom. It shouldn't stop with him. I had people like Frank. Frank was 65 years young. He was in a position where he wanted to take, have more time with his loved ones, with his grandchildren. So what we did, boom, another screenshot. Now, this is not about proving myself, proving this thing, proving whatever. It has already proven itself for over 200 plus people. So if you've already heard enough and you want to learn how to apply this proven digital ATM model in your life today, then go down below this video, You'll find the link in the descriptions to be able to book a brainstorm call with either myself or the team. Now, the reason I love this model so much is because there's a clear paradigm shift. Because in the old world, it used to be all about the bank winning. You had the customer stepping in, using an ATM or a Visa, paying a fee on every single transaction, going to the bank, owned by the bank, owning the ATM, collecting a fee automatically, and not caring if the economy is up or down. And we've been trusting this exact system for ages, but still, when we get the opportunity to do this ourselves digitally, we start to question whether this is possible or not, because you have been lied to. They are making the big fees, you are just getting a fraction of those fees. That's the reason they're closed on a Saturday and a Sunday. Now, crypto, on the other hand side, settles right away, is open every single day, has X stocks recently launched on Kraken for the traditional investors out there, but I'm not going to expand too much on that. Now, you, the customer in crypto, or you being your own bank, you could buy and hold Bitcoin, then hope the price goes up, then earn nothing while you wait. Billions of people are doing this exact approach. They don't know better. They got into Bitcoin a few years ago. Now they're praying for the price to go back up to 100K. Same with the people that bought into Ethereum a few years ago. Rest in peace, you know? Because the whole point is you're not actively using these assets. It's like you would be stepping up to a real estate guy to be able to buy a property and never rent it out. You're just letting it sit there. You're getting the toilet issues with the property. You're getting the cracks up in the wall. You're getting the fire distinguisher and all that stuff, or extinguisher, whatever. All the issues are stacking up. So what you need is something that gets you those fees. I call it the digital ATM model. And it's how you position yourself. In a simple way, you can provide digital assets like Ethereum and Bitcoin to the network. Those are the oranges we refer to. Then buyers and sellers use your liquidity or your assets to be able to execute their transactions. Now, you earn a small cut of every single transaction they do, whether the market goes up, down, or sideways, in just 2 to 3 hours a week, without being a tech genius and knowing that not somebody else has to lose for you to make money. It's a fact that you are helping these people to make those trades actually cheaper. You don't need to do any trading at all. You're just positioning yourself in the middle of every single transaction. So by this point of the video, you should understand that the banks have been doing this exact strategy for centuries. It's never been about them managing your money or whatsoever. It's always been about you doing those transactions, them being positioned in the middle, and them taking a fee. Even in the crypto world, by the way, if you just leave your money on a centralized exchange like Kraken or Binance, they are generating the fees on your money. I prefer to be the bank. I'll show you exactly how this works through a simple diagram, because I want to make sure that you have visual comprehension of how this model works, because it's a model that is not saturated. And that's why people think it's too good to be true. They think it's probably a scam, it's probably a lie, it's probably too good to be true, because not every single YouTuber and their grandmother out there are talking about it. Try to seek another YouTuber sharing a model like this on his YouTube feed. It is hard, you know? And if you find these people that are usually promoting centralized exchanges, they got an affiliate link, all that garbage. For me, the whole point is I made my money already ages ago. I decided to find a way for myself and those I love the most, which was my financial survival mechanism. And then I decided to share it with people like yourself. So very simple. Buyers and sellers are stepping in every single day, regardless of whether you set this up or not. They are there. Millions of people are moving digital assets these days, and it's only getting better and better and better with the Clarity Act and all that stuff. Then the middleman in the middle, this is you, where you step in through the digital ATM model. You are basically putting yourself in the middle of all of these transactions that are happening, adding more oranges. So this is getting a better and faster digital network. And for doing so, you earn a fraction of those fees they pay every single day. I hope this video made a lot of sense to you, because the reason I'm pushing this content out for free is because I generally think that there was a lack of financial literacy on school. I generally hate it when I hop on calls with people and they tell me I got scammed. I put my money on an like not secure website, I trusted the wrong people, all that stuff. I just hate hearing that. I get furious when I hear it. And even more, I recently made a video on how to protect yourself financially through the consistent increasing inflation. It should be somewhere around on the screen in a second, but before I push it out, make sure to go down below this video and book your brainstorm call with me right now. There's simply no risk in hopping on, because on that call, we'll take a look at where you're at right now, what you've tried before, and where you're willing to go to. If you're completely new and you don't have any tech knowledge at all, no worries. Don't forget about Frank. He was 65 years old and struggled with a laptop at the start. Now he's spending time by the pool with his grandchildren. If you've already been burned before, you're kind of like very, very slowly in the things that you're trying to pursue online, I absolutely get that. I would be worried if you wouldn't be skeptical, but still, this call is relaxed, in-depth, and shows you exactly what this is all about, why it's even there in the first place, and it's mainly about what you've tried, where you're going to, and what's been holding you back. With that being said, no risk in simply going down below this video to book that brainstorm call right now, and click this video. It should be somewhere on the screen right now. Goes down the whole idea of inflation, how they've been lying to you for ages, and how to finally escape the system to buy back your time.